What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will be working on the MK2 Jetta. We are doing some repairs as I have an exhaust leak and it is causing the car to smell like fumes, which is never good. So we will be jacking up the car and checking where the exhaust leak is. I will be showing you guys how to find the exhaust leak and how to patch it. I've never used this product before, so we're gonna see if it's worth it and if it works or if I'm gonna have to take it to an exhaust shop. So before I do that, we are going to go get some gas for the Jetta, and I'm going to show you guys a little sneak peek for next week's video. So make sure you guys stay tuned for next week's video. We are going to attempt to install some new parts. I've been buying parts for this thing like crazy. I'm going in debt, so make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and support the Jetta build. Other than the exhaust leak, we are also going to tighten some bolts on the suspension because I am getting uneven wear, and I believe that there is a bolt that is a little loose, and then we're gonna take it for alignment. So let's go get some gas. All right guys, so I just sprayed these bolts down with penetrate, and I inspected the bushings around it and there's nothing wrong with it. So I tightened them and now there's no play on the suspension, and as you guys can see there was uneven wear on the inside and we believe it's due to that. So hopefully we're gonna take it to the mechanic and do an alignment and see if everything's okay. I ran to the store and got some muffler repair kits. So this one is a putty and a Play-Doh like repair kit. It's meant for super high heat. So this is gonna be for smaller holes around the headers, usually around those just little holes. And then I also got this one for bigger holes just in case. This is like a tape kind of patchwork. It's also meant for super high heat, and it's meant for bigger holes. So all you need to do is wrap it around the hole, make sure you overlay it around an inch, and then you run the exhaust or heat it up with a heat gun and it will turn hard as a rock. Apparently these two are better than welding. So we are gonna put these to the test and I'll let you know how it works. If not, we will just weld it and see if that works. So let's go under the car and repair this exhaust leak. Actually, find the exhaust leak and then repair it. All right guys, so we have a vacuum that also blows air out, and we are gonna check for exhaust leaks. So what you want to do is you're gonna want to connect the vacuum onto your exhaust pipe. You're gonna turn it on and then spray soapy water along the exhaust. And if you have any bubbles coming out, that's where your hole is. All right, so I have a Dremel here and some sandpaper. I'm gonna clean where the holes are around the exhaust and then put that putty and the tape around and see how they work. All right guys, so I just put the putty on both sides because we couldn't use the tape on the other one. So we're not gonna test out the tape, we're gonna test out the putty. I hope I got into the hole because there is the exhaust kind of holder, but there's that thing in the way. So I hope I got it in the hole and filled the hole. So we're gonna wait 3 to 4 hours for it to dry. And then we're gonna test it again with the soapy water, make sure everything's plugged. If not, we're gonna do it again with the putty. So yeah, we'll wait a few hours to see if it's dry. And then yeah, we'll meet back here. All right guys, so unfortunately the putty did not work. The hole was actually too big for the putty to fill up and harden. And I couldn't use the patch tape because the bracket was in the way, the exhaust bracket. So I still have an exhaust leak and it's getting super loud. But it's kind of nice because it backfires when I downshift. But I'm gonna take it to an exhaust shop tomorrow to get it fixed. But on the other side of the resonator, the putty actually filled up those exhaust holes because they are small. So if you guys have small exhaust leaks around your headers or around the welds by the muffler or the resonator, use this product. It's 12 bucks. It's super cheap and super easy to do. If you guys have bigger holes that you guys can reach, then you can use the patch tape. It will do the same thing. I just couldn't because of the bracket got in the way. But that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I taught you how to find an exhaust leak and patch it up, patch up little holes. I hope this taught you guys and will save you guys a lot of money. So please like, subscribe, comment down below what your favorite part of the video is and what you want to see with the Jetta. And stay tuned for next week's video. It's going to be a very exciting one. Again, it's an install video. I got parts and I'm going to install it right now. I'm super excited. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.